Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Trimui Smart Pro not turning on in 2026. So many times the device looks dead, but the battery is fully drained or not charging correctly. So the very first fix here is to simply charge the device properly. So you need to simply connect the device using a good quality USB cable. Then you need to plug into a wall charger. It should be at least 5 volt, which is recommended. Then leave it for charging for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Then after, let's say, 30 minutes, you need to check if any charging indicator is available on the screen light. You can try turning it on again and see if it is working properly. Now, sometimes the device is not actually off, but it sometimes stuck in the frozen state. So in order to fix it, you just have to simply press and hold the power button for at least 10 to 15 seconds, then release and press it again normally. Now you need to watch for any screen response or any vibration. Now, charging issues are often caused by faulty cables or low power supply. So you need to use a different USB-C cable. You can try another wall adapter. You can avoid using laptop USB ports and you can plug directly into a wall socket. Sometimes the device is on but the screen is not showing anything. In this particular situation, you just have to simply press the volume or the buttons and listen for the sound. Connect the headphones to check the audio. Shine light on the screen to see faint display. If sounds works, screen is the issue. So you can try these easy fixes and checks and see if Trimui Smart Pro is turning on again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.